Hello to all of you, this is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to graphically represent the data in Python using Matplotlib library. So for this, you will have to install Matplotlib. We'll run the command import pandas as PD. We will have to load all these libraries, import numpy as np, import matplotlib as mpl, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and percentage matplotlib inline. It's a magical command. Basically, the Matplotlib inline sets the backend of Matplotlib to the inline backend. So for running this command, just press Shift Enter. Now we will import the dataset iris. So iris is equal to pd.read underscore xl. R is used that we can smoothly import the data into Python. Now I'll run the command print round bracket iris.head, and it will generate me the first 5 rows of the dataset. If I write tail, it will generate the last 5 rows of the data set. Now I want to run the scatter plot. So for this, the first command which is always there is figure.axis, fig.x is equal to plt subplots round bracket. Now iris is a data set and I want a scatter plot between petal length and sepal width. So I'll write down iris petal length, comma, iris sepal width. X dot scatter, I want the scatter plot. Then I want to give the label this iris dataset. So I'll say x dot set underscore title iris dataset. I want to give x label. So x dot set x label sepal length. X dot set y label is a sepal. So let me run and I'll get this output. Now to generate the line chart, first of all, I'll have to drop the species name because it is a categorical variable or a nominal. Rather, it's a nominal variable at present. So columns is equal to iris.columns.drop. Species names are dropped. Create x data. So x underscore data is equal to range 0. Iris.shape 0. Now I'll be using the same function figure comma x is equal to plots subplots. For column in columns, x dot plot x data iris column label is equal to column. And I'll set the title x dot set title iris dataset and x dot legend. Now the command line in Matplotlib is little hard in comparison to other packages. There are more and more advanced packages which have reduced the coding considerably, which we will see in the next upcoming videos. So now you can see it is giving me the line chart of petal width, petal length, sepal width, and sepal length. Now I want to generate the histograms of wine reviews. So first of all, I'll have to import this WineMag data. All this data, Iris, Titanic, WineMag, they are very easily available in Kaggle. So I'll write down here wine underscore reviews is equal to pd.read underscore csv. I'll import the data set. And you can see here, it gives me the wine reviews. When I run the command print wine underscore reviews dot head. Now I can run the histogram on categorical variable and I'll have to find out where the categorical variable is there. So now I'm running the command figure x is equal to plot subplots. This command we always run it. See? Now I'll specify x dot histogram. Wine review is a data file and we want the histogram of points. So points given to this wines x dot set underscore title wine reviews scores x dot set x label points this points and frequency. So I'll get the histogram. Now I want to count the occurrence of each class. So what I can do is I'll again go in this line and I'll write down fix comma x is equal to plot dot subplots data is equal to wine underscore reviews points dot value underscore counted. Now this points is equal to data dot index, frequency is equal to data dot values, x dot bar is points, whatever points which have been generated here, comma frequency. So the chart has to be made on the basis of frequency. You can see here points are there and on the basis of frequency. Title we will give is wine review scores, x label is points, y label is frequency. So you can see here now it has generated a histogram with points, value counts. So this is the way you can generate the charts in Python using Matplotlib library. For more videos on data science using Python, kindly subscribe to my channel. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos related to data science using Python. Please don't forget to press the like button.